Namaste. Do you ever have those days where you're just tired, you're just exhausted, you just feel like your mood is dull, it's depressed, and your mood is just off, no energy, and you don't even know why. You just feel like everything's just really gloomy and I'm not feeling like me. Well, I have the perfect solution for you. We all have those days where it's just a little bit more gray and black than white, and that's completely fine. Let's just use yogic tools to help us on our journey towards well-being. So today I want to share with you this breath, and it's called the breath of joy. This is an amazing breath to just lift our spirits up, lift that energy up, and come back to ourselves more than anything. So this breath is very simple. First, I'd like to go through it completely, and then we'll do 3 rounds together, followed by some affirmations. I want to make sure that after you watch this video, you are back to yourself, back to a happy, bubbly state of being, okay? So you're just going to basically stand. This breath is a standing breath. We're not going to be sitting. Make sure that your feet are nice and shoulder width apart and parallel to each other. The breath is composed of 4 stages. So stage 1, we're just going to first do the hands. It'll be easy. Let's go step by step. Hands to the front. That's the first one. Second one, open up to the side. And the third one, lift it up. So let's do it one more time. Just the hands. I just want to make sure that you remember the order. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now the fourth one, we'll look at it a little bit later. Let's just finish off the breathing for these 3 movements. So 1 is an inhale, 2 is also an inhale, and 3 is also an inhalation through your nose, not the mouth. So let's do it together. Again, I'm just going to count and you can do it so that it's easier for you, hopefully. 1, inhale. 2, inhale. 3, inhale. Okay, everyone's with me so far? Now from here, the fourth one, because I did mention it's a 4-step breath, you're going to exhale, bending the knees, bringing the hands down. So 4, like this. Now when you do 4, you're going to breathe through your mouth and you're going to make the sound ha. So 1, 2, 3 is inhale, inhale, inhale through the nose. 4 is ha as an exhale. Okay, let's try it. Inhale, 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 ha. Inhale, 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 ha. Inhale, 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 ha. Okay, so just to summarize it before we go into the actual practice when we'll do it together. So 1 is here, inhale. 2, inhale. 3, inhale, ha. Bend the knees, exhale. Okay, let's try it together. We're going to do it 3 times. And then I'm going to ask you to just close your eyes. I'm going to tell and say some affirmations that I invite you to either repeat to yourself mentally, or you can also speak it out loudly, whatever works for you. And then just allow yourself to bask in this bath of positivity and joy. So nice and steady, let's center ourselves. Close your eyes. Feel your breath. Take a moment to center. The next few minutes of my life, I'm taking this time to take care of myself, my body, mind, my spirit, and my heart through the breath of joy and positivity. Open up your eyes. Let's get started. In, ha. In, ha. In, ha. And release. Close your eyes. Spread your feet apart slightly. and allow yourself to feel the energies. Take a deep breath in through your nose and sigh it out. Let go of whatever it is, whatever does not serve your highest good. And repeat either verbally or mentally. I love and I accept myself. I trust the process of life. I am safe and secure. I am in control of my emotions and my thoughts. I am so grateful for all the blessings in my life. I'm thankful for everything I have. I am blessed. Blessed beyond words. There may be challenges in my life, but I learn to surf through the waves. I do not drown. I am at peace with myself and others. Let's chant Om together once. Deep breath in. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Rub your palms together. Generate that energy of positivity and joy and all of this goodness of life. Sometimes you just take life too seriously. And give yourself a nice massage on the forehead and the cheeks in the upward direction. Looking at both your palms gently, opening up your eyes, feeling that lightness within your heart and connection to yourself. I really hope this helps. Leave a comment in the section below. I'd love to hear from you. If there's anything you'd like me to share with you when it comes to the world of yoga, meditation, of pranayama, please feel free to tell me. And see you in the next one, my yogis. Namaste.